The class that we do on a face-to-face basis is to tell you and teach you and make you prepared for the art of communication. But please remember one thing, that there are two things that are to be kept in mind while you learn how to communicate effectively, so that proper flow of information is guaranteed, and at the same time expected feedback is generated, though obviously you cannot always expect the feedback that you wish to be coming from the person who is at the other end. But then also effectiveness is guaranteed, comparative effectiveness. There are two things that are very important to understand. A, the power of silence. When you are communicating, it is very important to play with the silence part, that is leaving a little bit of breath, so that before important points, before important issues, the drama is created. That is the most important thing. The drama is very important, where people wait with bated breath for you to say something important. Maybe it's not so important, but because with the help of silence, with the help of interruption, you have created that drama. People will be naturally interested in what you feel after what you say after that silence part. B, the most important thing is the feedback. You need to understand what is the importance of feedback, because feedback is something that helps you to understand whether your message has been properly communicated or not. The other thing that is important is to understand the feedback, and for that you have to practice talking to people, because talking helps you to become a better speaker. And the body language, understanding the body language, the gestures, the postures, the way of sitting, the way of eyeball movement, the way the eyeballs move, the way the head is tilted, and these kind of things. That is only done through experience. Experience teaches you to do that. Please try to understand that the final thing that is important in communication is your body language. You need to be honest in whatever you're speaking, and your body language expresses that, believe me. The best the best people whom in this particular field I feel are two. One is three, in fact, according to me. There was a show years ago named Rendezvous by Simi Garwal. You can check it out in the net, in YouTube as well. And the second one is of the Oprah Winfrey Show, and the third one is Amir Khan Satyameva Jayate. You can see the confidence that they generate, you can see the way that they sit, you can see the importance that they give to the people who is on the other end, and the person at the other end feels that I'm the king or the queen, because I'm so important for the other person. And the way he listens or she listens or listen to is remarkable, is inimitable. And that is the thing that is very important. If you are to be important to the person on the other side, then you have to give importance to the other side, and that is where your communication powers and your communication level come into play. And the effectiveness of communication is guaranteed only in that way. So what did we do? A, the importance of silence. B, the importance of feedback. C, the importance of gestures, postures, body language. And D, the importance to understand that your honesty about the words, the lines, the ideas that you communicate is very important to generate the desired feedback. Thank you so much. Happy learning.